guys, we came to Saroda right now. We entered the area of Saroda, a small town. It is also an NAC. NAC, you must know, Notified Area of Council, the smallest area of urban administration. It's a beautiful river, flows through Saroda. Yeah, it's a very beautiful. We could see the downstream there also. So guys, now we are going to Saroda dam site. The mountain, the hillside that you are seeing, that is our destination. This is small way that goes up to the dam, I think. A beautiful temple here. Very wonderful mountain is seen from here, and of course it is giving a very mesmerizing beauty. It's offering an idyllic sight for us. See the mountain completely covered up with green vegetation everywhere. The mountain have been always giving us very beautiful sight all the time. And guys, you will be wanted to know this mountain were originally very ugly. The time they could burn, and it was only after the evolution, the erosion, it make it more beautified, it make it more beautiful, and the wrapping of the beautiful vegetation, it just making it super. Oh my god, you see the slope started, I think. Kuade? हाँ, अच्छा रास्ता अच्छी तो जाइए ना. ओके धन्यवाद. Let's go, man. So that gentleman and this young brother too showed us the way. We'll go ahead this side. Okay, man, let's start. So still then you guys enjoy the beautiful sight. Oh my god, it's really very good, sir. For those people just say it's a small dam only. So friends, we are carrying nearer to the dam site. This is the way. Just below the hillside you can find some settlements here. People are living here. Sir, how do these people protect from the rushing stream of the mountain, sir?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Do you have this kind of habitation in your area?
Yeah.
Really? So people must have tilt house in your area, I think. Tilt house, you know, na? Some houses are made on the pillar, na? You know?
Yeah.
But what about these people? Oh my god, it's very beautiful, sir.
Well, I think we can go upstairs, sir.
Secondly, we after watching this one, we will go.
After visiting the dam,
Yeah.
we can climb up on top.
So hello guys, we just reached the mountain side as well as the dam side. Oh my god, it's amazing, man. It appears to be very small but very idyllic, very beautiful. Just see the stream everywhere. You just see the beautiful. Right. Okay. So guys, we reach here. So this is the beautiful site. It's a dam, right? A big water reservoir. It's really wonderful everywhere. You can see beautiful sight. बहुत सुंदर है सर, बहुत सुंदर है. I'm taking some picture out here. Oh, friends, beauty cannot be seen to your naked eyes. It's just a matter of perception. It will just give a kind of perspective whenever you are gazing upon the things. वो लोग बोल रहे थे अच्छा नहीं है ना, तो बहुत अच्छा है. और क्या चाहिए ये.
और ऊपर जाने से अच्छा होगा और ज़्यादा.
We'll go on a biking to the top of the hillside. We will go to the summit. We'll go up to the Minar, right? There is a Minar, I think. We'll go up to there. Oh my God. Yeah. Very awesome, sir. Wow. Guys, we came to the dam side right now, and it is at the dam site. And you can see in my backside, in our backside, you can see the vast stretches of water bodies. That is very quiet, very pleasant and quiet. How are you feeling, sir?
Feeling so relaxed.
So relaxed, na?
No.
Yeah, and it's very relaxing. You can feel calm, pleasant and tranquil. And the side is very awesome everywhere. You can just see in the back side of my camera. Okay, we both are resting at the viewpoint for some time, and after that we will head to the mountain. We will mount the mountain for some time. We'll biking there, right? And now let me show you the beautiful sight, very beautiful sight of this lake. This is the water reservoir. This is very calm and pleasant. You can find this is vast stretches. It completely mixed with the horizon. Only some mountains or hillside are appeared. Very vast everywhere. So beautiful. It is far more better than the beautiful city. A piece of tranquil lake, a piece of tranquil and peace water body, and it gives us a lot of pleasures, lot of relax and refreshment in our life. A lot of things are there. Very idyllic, very peaceful. We are really enjoying a lot. Yes, na, sir?
Yes.
Lot of things are there. You can find the tilted houses, small. We cannot call it houses. Small rest house. Small viewpoint have been made in order to gaze upon the views, the beautiful landscape all around. This is also a kind of viewpoint here. This was very peaceful. Indeed, this kind of water reservoirs are some like the true reflection and true beauty of the landscape you can find on the earth. Oh my God. Lot of aquatic are there, sir. Aquatic plants, vegetation also seen here. Very beautiful. Some trees have submerged, sir, but they are not the aquatic plant. That one you are seeing there, that is not aquatic. This may be the time when the dam was constructed, na? That may have submerged. That was a tree actually, not.
We can see lotus down.
These are all aquatic, lotus and all thing, na? The plantain like things are. They are the aquatic things. Lake is the lake is not so wild as well. It is very still. You cannot find any waves there. Very small waves are dancing here. Very small waves. They are not actually very wild. Very peaceful, sir. Everyone can just exalt it, and you can be surprised at the stunning beauty of this place. Very beautiful. You can find your own beauty inside you. Whenever you gazing upon this kind of beautiful scene, you will love yourself as well. You can find the beauty of yourself. Very beautiful, sir. So buddy, let's go to the mountain side. We will have some drinks, cold drinks. That meant cold drinks, and we will mount this small hillside. The water bodies accompanied with this hillside, making this place very, very unique, very unique, right? And wonderful. It's a very, very wonderful features. Every beholder can just embark seeing at the beautiful sight. Okay, let's climb down, man. I'm taking your video. My tripod is not in use. I'm just shooting it on my mobile. So guys, you may be enjoying everywhere. Just enjoy the scene, the scenic beauty everywhere. Let's go, man. We're giving more work to my scooty.
Next destination.
Next destination is to climb down. So we had a plan to go on a track, but this is not the track. We're just biking over the mountain, and we will let you see some more other beautiful things. Let's go, guys, with us. Bye bye. Bye bye. Let's see again.